Why do ships have noses? Hello, and welcome to Marine ARCHI. Today, we have a very interesting question for you. Why do ships have noses? Yes, you heard that right. Some ships have a protruding bulb at the front, just below the waterline, that looks like a nose. But what is the purpose of this strange feature? Is it just for decoration, or does it have some practical benefits? Let's find out. A bulbous bow, as it is called, is a common design element in modern seagoing cargo ships. It modifies the way the water flows around the hull, reducing drag and thus increasing speed, range, fuel efficiency, and stability. But how does it do that? Well, to understand that, we need to know a little bit about the physics of waves. When a ship moves through the water, it creates its own waves, called Kelvin waves, that spread out from the bow and the stern. These waves carry energy, which means that the ship has to use some of its engine power to generate them. This is called wave-making resistance, and it is one of the main factors that limit the speed and efficiency of a ship. Now imagine a ship with a straight bow, like the Titanic. As the ship surges forward, the water particles at the bow are pushed aside, creating a high-pressure zone and a crest of a wave. This wave travels along with the ship, creating drag and resistance. But what if we add another structure in front of the bow? Below the waterline, this is where the bulbous bow comes in. The bulbous bow creates its own wave at its foremost point. But this wave is out of phase with the wave created by the straight bow. This means that when the two waves meet, they cancel each other out, creating a low-pressure zone and reducing or eliminating the bow wave. This reduces the drag and resistance on the ship, allowing it to move faster and more efficiently. This effect is known as destructive interference of waves, and it is similar to what happens when you use noise-canceling headphones. The headphones produce a sound wave that is opposite to the ambient noise, canceling it out and creating silence. The bulbous bow does the same thing with water waves, canceling out the bow wave and creating smooth sailing. Of course, this effect only works if the bulbous bow is designed for the specific speed and size of the ship. If the bulbous bow is too big or too small, or if the ship is moving too fast or too slow, then the waves will not cancel out properly, and may even create more drag and resistance. That's why bulbous bows are mostly used on large ships that travel at constant speeds, such as container ships, tankers, cruise ships, etc. Smaller ships or faster ships may not benefit from having a bulbous bow, or may even need a different shape of bulb to suit their needs. So there you have it. Now you know why some ships have noses, to reduce drag and increase efficiency by canceling out their own waves. Isn't that amazing? We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are curious about ships and naval architecture. Thank you for watching Marine ARCHI, and we'll see you next time. Bye!